Alright, here go my wires right here, YouTube. I think I replaced 2 of these wires. I think I replaced this one, and I replaced this one right here. I replaced that one as well. We're just gonna swap out the other ones. Man, here go the old plug wires. It looked like that one was getting burnt right there. Looked like this one was probably getting a little rash too. I know how difficult it can be trying to pinpoint a misfire on an LS swap. Even if it ain't no LS swap. I know how much money people spend trying to troubleshoot a misfire. Today, YouTube, we're gonna continue troubleshooting our LS Swap Misfire. I'm satisfied, YouTube. 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower on wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. Got both dumps in the garage now, man. I don't want you going out spending too much money trying to troubleshoot a LS Swap Misfire. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. YouTube, this your boy, Tone, coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We outside, and guess what? Ain't nothing nobody can do about it, YouTube. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. Hey, man, we're gonna try to get this miss out of the 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Been having a miss for quite some time. We actually did some troubleshooting in a previous video to try to eliminate that miss. Within doing so, we changed out the spark plugs. We tested the spark plug wires. We did a few things, man. But today, what we gonna do is I got a brand new set of spark plug wires in the garage. And so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put them wires on to see if that eliminates our miss. And if it does eliminate our miss, then we're gonna get a set of high temp. We're gonna get a nice quality set of spark plug wires, y'all. So let me get the 72 backed out a little bit so we have a little room to work on it. And then we're gonna go from there, YouTube. All right, be back in a minute. All right, YouTube. Got my wife out here helping me. Now, look, YouTube, I got the car. I got the 72 bagged out right here. Got my wires right here. Let me show y'all. All right, here go my wires right here, YouTube. I think I replaced 2 of these wires. I think I replaced this one, and I replaced this one right here. I replaced that one as well. So we're just gonna swap out the other ones, and we're gonna go from there, YouTube. All right, be back in a minute. Old plug wires, man. Here go the old plug wires. It looked like that one was getting burnt right there. Looked like this one was probably getting a little rash too. You know, hey, they tested good whenever I tested them, but that don't mean they actually good. You know, just because it tests good, it could have a loose connector on the inside, or, you know, either end. But basically, I didn't put any electrical grease on the plugs or in the wire before I slip it on. I didn't worry about putting no protective sleeves on it. I just want to get these wires on and see if it fixes the problem. And once we identify if the spark plug wires fix the problem, we're gonna get us a nice, good quality set of spark plug wires. These were not the best quality. They were actually very inexpensive, but I got them because they was 10 millimeter and they was high performance and they looked it good. So let's get this thing crunk up and let's see if it fixes our problem, y'all. Let's see what it runs like. Oh man, that sucker crunk up quick. I think it crunk up quicker. Let's go for a test drive, YouTube. All right, YouTube, man, this is basically what we got here, man. We still got the miss in the 72 Impala. It's still there. And sometimes it drive right, and then sometimes it'll start back acting up. And, you know, I did some more research, and I talked to a few other people. Keep in mind, we already changed out the spark plugs and we swapped out one of the coils and we changed out all the spark plug wires and we still got that miss. And what that tells me is that it gotta be the coils. And the fact that it drives good sometimes and then it'll start back acting up, that's another indication that the problem may be the coil packs. So that's our next step. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna replace all of the coil packs. So, man, this stuff happens sometime, man. You know, don't get frustrated. You know, I'm ready for my car to be fixed. But, you know, stuff like this happen. You know, working on these old school cars, you gonna go through stuff like this, man. You know, trial and error. Sometimes it's trial and error. And you just gotta stick with it. You know, don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep putting one foot in front of the other, and that way you able to finish what you started. You know what I'm saying? You take a little break, and then, you know, you regroup, and then you go back and hit that thing again. Ain't that right, Major? Yep. Ain't that right? Tell them, YouTube. Tell them what's up, YouTube. Tell them what's up, King. King don't want to speak, y'all. YouTube.